Hello everyone, now here we come to our production line. And the first step is CNC cutting. We will show you how it goes.
These are our acetate sheets, the raw material. They have many different colors and patterns for your reference. The sheets will be cut into little pieces by the machine. Let's see. Here is the machine that cutting the acetate sheet into the design. As you can see here, we got many different style designs, all planned according to your requirements. Here are the molds for the temples. As you can see, many thousands of different temple shapes. Now, as you can see, the acetate sheets are heated in an oven to soften them, making cutting and shaping easier. Okay. Now this process is to protect the hinge, because the next step we need to polish the temples.
This glue is to protect the hand. And now, this worker is bending the temple shape, piece by piece.
This step is refine the temples to achieve a certain thickness of the temples as you require.
OK，总结。
So every piece of sunglasses reaches many details process to reach the prime feel of the product. As we all know, all acetate temples require an insert metal pin to keep the shape. So first they need to heating the temperature, then insert the metal pin.
You can see the acetate material after heating becomes soft. And then the metal wire inserted into the acetate temple by the machine.
Those are our CNC machine. The precision machine are cutting the acetate sheets into the specific frame design. Let's now have a look. Every different part requires a different technique to achieve the design frame.
Okay.
This one is the finished piece. You can see.
Okay. And compared to the drawing. Drawing.
Compared to this artwork, they're exactly the same as the design. After the previous steps, now after the picking, we're going to the polish department. Here is the polish department. All the front and tables need to be polished within a week to achieve a better texture of the carbon field. The polish step requires 3 steps to reach a certain finish. As you can see, using different materials to polish and over 48 hours to make
Final polish like this. Okay, let's take one piece for the reference. The final one is shiny.
Now I got 3 pieces here to compare. As you can see, this one is non-polished. As you can see, all the sides are very sharp. As you touch it, this one is after the step 1 polishing. All the sides are more soft than before. And then this one is the second step of polishing. As you can see, it's more soft. And here is the final polishing step. As you can see, they are shiny under the lights. And with our strict quality control system, each piece needs to reach a certain standards. This step is manual work polish. As you can see, our waters are refine every details and to check every detail to reach a perfect surface finish without any scratch or little difference. Now this step is inserting hand. As you can see, the hand here. This step is bending the frame to reach a certain curve from base 1 to base 8. This step here also is bending the nose pad. This part. After previous steps, now is the assembling department. At these steps, we need to lock in the screws and check every details. Before packaging, the product also needs the final refine all the details. You need to check and polish to ensure there's no dirt and scratch on the sunglasses. After all the previous steps, now is the final department, the package department. This process requires lots of workers to ensure each piece meets the customer's requirements, the size, we have a full inspection control system to ensure the quality. As you can see, they check piece by piece. The package are all according to your requirements, from box to the bags and label stickers, all as you want.